Hi guys, I am RK from textprefer.com. Well, you might face problem while printing something from your computer. When you're going to print out any page, you will have to select your printer every time you print. It is not selected by default. So this is not a problem. This is setting in the computer where you have to select your printer as default printer. So in this video I will show you how to make your printer as default printer. So let's get started. First click on the start menu, then click on this gear icon, setting, click on the devices, click on the printer and scanner from the left side pane, and then click on your printer, your main printer, the printer which you want to make as a default printer. Click on manage, and here is the setting. Click on set as default. Now this printer is a default printer. That's it. So let's check to printing out something to make sure that your printer made a default printer or not. Click on the Excel sheet and click on Control P, and here it is. This printer is made a default printer. Now you don't need to change any time when you print. So guys, in this video we have learned how to make your printer as a default printer. That's it for now guys. We'll meet again. Thanks.